About matrescence, normally may mga questions tayong mga mommy like, "Bakit ganito na ako ngayon? Bakit dati mas consistent ako, dati mas parang hindi ako ganitong, ka-moody, bakit ngayon ang hirap na akong mag-plan out for my future, bakit ngayon parang I don't know what to do with my life." So, it's completely normal. Naming it, it's actually matrescence na make sense ko na, kaya pala ganito yung nararamdaman ko. And it's very important to name what we're feeling, not because it sounds fancy, but because 'pag ni-name kasi natin yung nararamdaman natin or yung experience natin, nagkakaroon tayo ng power over it and hindi natin bine-blame yung sarili natin. So, nagiging external yung mga bagay na nararanasan natin. It's something that we can work on versus it's something na fault lang natin or it's like a personal problem which isn't. It's a process. So it's a transition. So we don't know kailan siya magsa-stop. It varies per mom, pero it will change you like the entire you. Magbabago yung katawan mo, your priorities, your identity, 'di ba? How you treat yourself, how you treat others. And during this transition, I believe it's very important na tayong mga mommies, meron tayong enough help. Kasi normally, especially in our culture sa Philippines, like, kapag kasi mommy ka, ikaw ay ilaw ng tahanan. And I don't know if this is still an existing narrative, pero we have this idea na kailangan natin na magtiis, we always need to sacrifice. Well, it's not entirely wrong, 'di ba? Now, kailangan mag-sacrifice tayo for the ones we love. Like, it's inevitable if you're a mom, if you're a parent. But then, nagiging mali siya kasi kapag if you're just sacrificing quietly, na hindi mo na kaya pero tinatry mo pa rin i-keep lang sa sarili mo yung mga nararamdaman mo. Kasi you feel like if mag-complain ka, you're a bad mom. If mag-complain ka, you're weaker than others. If mag-complain ka, sensitive ka. But I feel like that's not the case. May nakikita ko sa social media, they're saying na, yung mga bata ngayon, um, or yung mga moms ngayon, they're sensitive, they're weaker than the previous generation. And